Here the question given is, two spheres made of same substance have diameters in the ratio 1:2. Find their thermal capacities are in the ratio dash. So here the ratio of diameters given. Let me just write here the ratio of diameters. Let me consider diameter is represented with d only. So d1 by d2 is nothing but 1 by 2. And they are asking us to calculate thermal capacities. The formula for thermal capacity is nothing but C1 by C2, and according to the formula, C is nothing but Ms. So M1 S1 by M2 S2, and already given here that the substance is same only, same substance given. That means for the same materials, the value of specific heats are same. So finally, you can write here it is equal to only M1 by M2. So how can we write mass in terms of diameters? So we have very general formula that density equal to mass by volume. So that mass equal to density into volume. So in place of mass here you can write density into volume. And here also ρ2 into V2. Since the substance is same, density is same for the similar substances. So ρ1 by, in place of ρ1 by ρ2, just you can write ρ into V1 by V2, and ρ will get cancelled here, and finally V1 by V2. And the body is given spherical. That means two spheres are given. What is the volume of the sphere? That is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled, and r1 by r2 whole cube will remain. And in terms of d, if you write, that will be d1 by d2 whole cube. And already we know the value for d1 by d2. What is d1 by d2? 1 by 2. So that you can write here 1 by 2 whole cube, which is equal to 1 by 8. So the answer for this particular question is 1 by 8. See here, the thermal capacity is nothing but M1S1 by M2S2. Since the material is same, specific heats will be same, and you will have only M1 by M2. The mass can be written as density into volume. Then for the same substance, density remains same. So V1 by V2. The volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And finally, you can write in terms of diameters, that is equal to d1 by d2 whole cube, which gives the answer 1 by 8. So this is the answer for the question number 10 from our material. And see the next question. Question number 11. When 300 joules of heat is added to 25 grams of sample of a material, its temperature rises from 25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. So mass of the body given 25 gram, and change in temperature rises from 25 to 45. That means change in temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius, and it will happen only when 300 joules of heat is added. So then the question, find the thermal capacity of the sample and specific heat of material. Both the questions they are asking. First of all, we can go through the thermal capacity. Thermal capacity means C. Simply, thermal capacity means here C you have to calculate. What is the general formula for C here? C is nothing but Ms. And according to the given information, when 300 joules of heat is added, then that means that will only give some rise in temperature, which is equal to Ms delta theta. But you have to find out Ms value only. So that Ms equal to 300 joules by change in temperature. In the given question, the change in temperature is 25 to 45, na? That means 20 degrees Celsius. So finally 300 by 20 will give 15 joule per degree Celsius. This is the answer for thermal capacity C. But one more question is also here. What is the other question? A specific heat also they are asking us to find out. Specific heat, according to the formula above, specific heat is nothing but heat capacity by mass. Just we have the relation or number for heat capacity 15, the mass is given 25 grams. So you can write in grams or kilograms, anything you can write. 15 by 20 means 25 means 3 by 4 joule per gram degree Celsius. If you want to convert into kilo, then it will be 3000 by 4 kg degree Celsius. 3000 by 4 will be 750 joule per kg degree Celsius. See here, when some amount of heat energy is added, then the rise in temperature given for the given mass of the substance. Then they are asking us to calculate thermal capacity and specific heat. Thermal capacity is nothing but Ms, and the amount of heat energy, equation for amount of heat energy given, it is nothing but Ms delta theta. According to that Ms value we already calculated, that is nothing but thermal capacity, and its value is 15 joule per degree Celsius, and specific heat means thermal heat capacity per unit mass. Then by substituting the given values, you just got the answer 750 joule per kg degree Celsius.